Hi, my name's Zoe Antrobus. I'm a director of 4theregion, a community interest company that works across Pembrokeshire, Carmarthenshire, Swansea and Neath Port Talbot. I think that young people need to understand the opportunities that there are available to them here in South West Wales, and maybe volunteer in different places, which will give them inspiration, hopefully, into what they might like to do or what they won't like to do. I think using industries like the hospitality industry is a really good pathway for kids to build their confidence and get to build strength in those speaking skills. There are opportunities in the green economy sector here and now, whether that is in horticulture and agriculture and local food supply chains, whether it's upskilling into in the construction and development industry, retrofit, plumbers, retraining to become air source heat pump fitters. There's so many exciting opportunities, and again the opportunity, what would offshore wind bring us? So many different opportunities. There are loads of businesses across South West Wales that would absolutely love to give you the opportunity to come into their business and trial different parts of what they might do. So you might go into an engineering or manufacturing business and you might want to try the engineering, or find that actually you wouldn't mind sitting behind a desk and doing a bit of marketing and promotion. And trialing those different things in different types of businesses is a really good way of getting a little bit of experience for you to find out what you might like to do. I think we're really lucky here in Wales to have the opportunity to be able to speak and converse and work in 2 different languages, and it really sets you ahead of other people that are going for different jobs. So I definitely think it's of great benefit.